The Honeywell HT-900 Turbo Force Air Circulation Fan is a small yet powerful cooling solution. With 3 speeds, the fan utilizes its advanced technology to deliver you a quiet and efficient means of cooling your surroundings. This fan is 25% quieter than its competitors. The adjustable fan head is fully capable of pivoting and reaching a 90-degree angle that can be used for direct cooling or circulating the air. Its relatively small size allows users the freedom to place the fan where they see fit. The Honeywell HT-900 comes with a 1-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.